Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get your design onto a shoe, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson direct-to-garment print technology. In order to print on a film transfer and transfer it onto shoes, here's what you need. A hat press. Most people will use a flat heat press like this one to cure our powder. You can also use a heat tunnel. You need a DTG printer, some direct-to-film transfer film, hot melt adhesive powder, and some blank shoes. Now let's open our design in Garment Creator. Mac and PC users will have the same visual experience, so the print settings will be the same. Since we're printing onto a transfer film, we'll need to make a few changes to our print settings. First, be sure to uncheck double strike print under white print quality. Next, go down to ink density and add 15% for color, subtract 15% for white. Below that, you'll want to reduce the white area from 2 to 3. And finally, change the ink order from normal to reverse, since we're printing color first, followed by white. Once you've made those settings, you can save them as a preset like we've done here. After that, go to Layout Settings. Be sure to flip your image, and now you can click Print to send the design to print on the transfer film. Now we're ready to place our film sheet on top of the platen. We'll use a couple of pieces of masking tape to hold the film in place. And when ready, we'll send the job to print. Once the print is done, we can remove our film from the platen and take it over to our application area to apply the powder. Before we begin applying the powder, we'll want to put on a mask for safety. Once we've done that, we'll take our printed film and place it in the middle of the tub. We'll use a couple of pieces of masking tape to tape the film in place. Now we'll apply a small amount of powder and begin applying it over the print. Be sure to cover the entire printed area. Once you've done that, we can lift the film away and remove the masking tape. And you'll want to make sure that you flick away any excess powder around the logo. Once that's complete, we're ready to take it over to our heat press to cure the powder. Now that the powder has been applied to the film, take it over to your heat press. Place it on the platen and slide it under the heat. We'll leave it here to hover under the heat for about 3 to 5 minutes to cure the powder. For high volume production shop users, if you have a conveyor heat tunnel, you can accomplish this step of the process much more quickly. Once the powder is cured, we'll take the film out and we'll take it over to our next heat press to complete the process. Now that the powder is cured on the film, you can trim down your film to size. We'll set our film transfer down to the side and we'll get our shoe ready to load onto the heat press. Once you have your shoe in the position you would like, put your transfer in place and begin the pressing process. For this canvas shoe, we're pressing at 335 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 seconds. We're using a hot peel film, meaning we'll peel this right away. But if you have a cold peel, make sure you let the shoe cool down for about a minute before you peel the film transfer away. When the press is complete, simply lift up the heat press, peel your film away, and your shoes are done.